Evelyn and Ethan's Guide to Night Hunters. Warm-up question. What other things do you know about bats?
1. You often see bats hanging upside down. They have to drop down from an upside-down position to start flying. They can't start flying from the ground like birds because of their small, weak feet. 2. Their wings are like people's hands and arms. 3. No mammals can fly except bats. They fly by flapping their wings and can make sharp turns. However, their wings aren't as strong as birds' wings. 4. There's a saying, as blind as a bat. However, bats actually have good vision. Some bats use their eyes and sense of smell to find food. Others use sound to do this.